This absolutely free site here will allow you to earn again and again for unlimited amount of times. And no matter where you're coming from, but if you want to earn even more money without doing anything, then stick around to the end of the video because I have a huge bonus to show you. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the NexGen logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. So this is the website that we will be using today in order to get paid. This website is called dailyuploads.net. It's a site I know most of you have never heard about before. So let me explain how it works. Well, basically, it's similar to the likes of Uploadship and others, in that it pays you whenever someone downloads a file you have uploaded on here. Whenever someone tries to download one of your files, they will first see a bunch of ads before they can download the files in question. And of course, the ad revenue is split between yourself and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the crowd. This one pays a lot more money per 1,000 downloads that other sites like it does, as I will show you in this video. Furthermore, a great thing about this site is that when you upload those files, you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever in order to get paid. This website does it for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic you will get and earn more money. Now, how much money you will get paid exactly, and all information relating to payment, you can check out by clicking on Make Money right up here. On this page, you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a downside, I must say. But it still isn't too much money either. You can also see that they offer various payment options. Skrill, web money, and for those of you who prefer cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. So they do have quite a bit of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out. You can get paid up to $16 per every 1,000 downloads. And while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that they do have a referral system in place. And this is a great way to make some extra cash using this website. With that said, another big reason why I am showing you this is the amount of traffic it gets, since after all, how many people visit the site a month greatly impacts how much you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats, you can come over to similarweb.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit a website a month, from which countries do most people visit the said site, and so on. When I searched for daily uploads, I found that over 1.9 million people come on that platform every single month, which is a very decent amount of people actually. Think about this for a second. 10,000 people downloading a file you've uploaded would earn you up to $160, and that is just 0.6% of the people who visit the site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn some very nice money easily with this website. Anyways, in order to start making money with daily uploads, you need to register by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner and then enter in your username, email address, your password, and finally, payment information. When done, just click on I'm not a robot and on submit. And you will now want to log into your brand new account from here. With that done guys, there is one big question left unanswered, which is what files will you be uploading? Well, what you can do is go over to sites like free PLR downloads and others and find files like tutorials, ebooks, and so on that contain useful information that will actually benefit the person downloading the file, which in turn will lead to more downloads. However, What I personally prefer is uploading files from a site called pexels.com. On this platform, you can find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use with no copyright infringement and with no attribution required to anyone. And uploading some photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from them. They are royalty-free, so they can use them however they want to. And Pexels offers some amazing looking photos and videos. And the thing is that not only people know about Pexels, which is also very important as well. For example, what you want to search for is beach videos, since not only do they look awesome, but people love them too. And more of them will want to download them. Now you don't have to search for beach per se, nor you do have to search for videos as well. Searching for a landscape or beautiful landscape is a great idea. And just a side note, if you want to upload photos on the daily uploads, then make sure you download multiples of them, 4 or 5 at least, and then group them together into a folder and upload the entire folder because daily uploads requires the minimum size of the file to be 1 megabyte. Anyways, when you go find something that you like, all you need to do is open up the video or photo in question, like this video of a beach, which just looks stunning, and click on free download in the upper right corner in order to download it to your PC for free. To upload the file, what you need to do on this site is click right here, then find the file on your PC and open it up. Then click on Start Upload right here and just wait until it uploads. When it does, you will be presented with a link of that file, as you can see. And as I said, this website will get you traffic and people will download your file no matter what. But I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as possible. Sharing in various Facebook groups, for example, is a good idea. Twitter, Instagram, all social media platforms in general are excellent places to get traffic. But if you want to get traffic without doing anything, then I highly recommend you check out this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description box down below. This tool will get you unlimited traffic in 29 seconds. Even if you are a newbie with zero skills and zero experience, as you can see, the great thing about this software is that it will get you traffic to any link out there, so you can use it to promote various products from the likes of Overfold, JVZoo, Digistore24, and others, which is awesome. Furthermore, if you recall, Daily Uploads also offers you a referral system, and so what you can do is use this tool to promote not just your file links, but also your referral link, and that will allow you to earn much more money. With that said though, this is a paid software, but before you click off this video, just check out what it says here. 365-day money-back guarantee. Get results or we'll pay you $250. So not only do they offer you a year-long money-back guarantee, but they will actually pay you if this doesn't work out for you. So you cannot lose anything if you just give this tool a try, and trust me, once you do, you'll see big results and you won't be needing that money-back guarantee at all. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next videos.